with something interesting. And a big thanks to Sundar. When we feel short of anything interesting, Sundar will be the savior. Great thoughts, and thanks so much. Thank you so much for your efforts today. That makes the session a little interesting. Before I go for the results and guest feedback, a couple of announcements to make. One is the district contest is happening on 29th and 30th of May online. It's going to be a kind of a 2 full day event, Saturday morning around 9 until evening, and also Sunday morning around 9 until evening. That's why we are not having our next meeting, the third meeting for the month after, because we have 5 weeks, 5 Saturdays in a month, this month actually. So we normally have the 5th Saturday also as a meeting, but we don't have a meeting for this 5th Saturday, and we will resume on 12th of June. It's a very interesting meeting on 2 accounts. One is it's going to be a annual general body meeting, which will happen for the initial 1 hour. Then we will have the guest open for the second half of the meeting. We will have our AGM session happens at 7 to 8. And also the second interesting is it's going to be our 111th meeting, 111th meeting. Let's see something we do innovative on this 1 hour session also. It's going to be 111th meeting of Meraki, which is happening on 12th of June. And one more happy news is like Meraki has been declared the winner also, or awardee of Golden Gavel for this year. This is the first time, yes, this is the first time we are achieving this after 4 years of chartering Meraki. All the more happy is because this year the criteria was so tough, even including the 75% attendance participation in few meetings and so many follow-ups, and every individual has contributed, I would say, right from Aarti, Ashok, everyone was on the spot on following up with the team and sending emails, reminders, umpteen communication with Dinesh, area director also with Aarti. And I see there are many bigger clubs, in terms of numbers and everything, couldn't make it through on a lot of account. But we had a clear-cut thoughts in the beginning of the year, and we were just doing it for the benefit of the club. In the process, we achieved the result of Golden Gavel as well. One of the biggest change I see in the Golden Gavel was they did not make DCP 10 as a mandate. This year, they kept President Distinguished DCP 9 as a starting criteria. That made one more cushion for us to go for it. So with this happy news, let me get the guest feedback from Parikshit first before we go for the results.
Thank you, Satish. So first of all, I would like to thank Satish for inviting me, and a very big thank you to all the members of Meraki Toastmasters for welcoming me into your session today. I had an amazing time today. It has been almost a year since I had attended a TMI session, and it was really amazing to be a part here. The highlight of the meeting for me was Distinguished Toastmaster Sundaraman's table topics. The model that he created, that was something that I saw for the first time, and it proves that we humans have the talent to improvise whenever things get tough. So yeah, it was an amazing session for me. Thank you, everyone.
So you currently, which location you are working at, Parikshit?
I am currently in my hometown, Patna.
Okay.
So,
but you are continuing with the Deloitte as an office, your workers?
No, actually, I quit my job at Deloitte. I'll be starting my MBA this year.
Oh, wow, great. Okay, so this all, your guys are going different places. Huh? Okay. Great. All the best, Parikshit. Back to Sukhdeep.
I think definitely Sundaraman sir always amazes us with the kind of things he comes up with, right? Be it from the presentations to things like that. So this is not a surprise for me. In fact, I'm like, I know he'll do something different. So that's definitely there. And it's always good to be back in Meraki. The kind of feedback which Satish gave based on that contest-oriented feedback, even for table topics like this, the kind of book reviews we have from the TMOD script to Ashok sir giving that report. So it's always an elevated moment to come back to Meraki and attend that 1 hour meeting. So yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sukhdeep. Looking forward to see you more in the coming weeks. Maybe, are we ready, Ashok?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay, so before we go to the results, 1 minute, Ashok. So two more best wishes we will pass it on. One is for our past president, distinguished Toastmaster Vijay Lakshmi. She will be contesting for the evaluation speech contest, which is going to happen on 29th of May. And also we have our alumni Subhadeep, who is going to contest for the table topics district level contest. And all the very best, Subhadeep, and come back one more trophy like last time we had in-person contest of ovation. All the very best for your contest, and keep rocking as usual. Yes, Ashok. Okay, big thanks for Jayanti. Now it's time we should, push her to come and do a live doodle. We will appreciate Jayanti for making this doodle of management book review of Aarti's Power of Words. Best role player, table topics master, distinguished Toastmaster Sundar Raman. Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, no surprises there. Thank you, sir.
Best table topic speaker, Aarti. Congratulations. Okay, so thank you so much, Ashok. With this, as I started with my speech on consistency and humility, what I learned from Aarti, I'm sure each one of us can take a lesson or two and try to incorporate in our day-to-day life as well. With this thought, I will adjourn this meeting to 12th of June, 2021 for Meraki's 111th meeting. Have a great day for all of you and the rest of the weekend. See you soon.